Holy crap, big ass cloud of dust hitting us hard. Oh my. This thing's huge. Yeah, that's why I was trying to tell you to come out back, Logan. That's why I was trying to tell you to come out back.
Holy shit, dude, it's coming right here.
Oh, Mom said it's in her backyard. Oh man, this is gonna be nasty real quick,
bad,
dude.
Look at the blue compared to the fucking dirty brown.
It's just about to engulf us.
Dude, look outside. Are you in the dust storm?
Oh shit. Here it is.
Yeah?
Here it is.
Holy shit. Dude, it just got dark.
It just looks
out.
like dirt.
It's just dirt in the air.
Watch this light.
Shit. Oh, we're in a dust storm now. There's fucking dust everywhere.
Whoa, I can't even see anything now.
What?
Look,
Yeah.
the camera went
I can't
black.
even open my eyes. Yeah.